In this video, I'll show you how to set up the OneDrive for Business Sync client step by step so you can get your work files syncing properly on your PC. This is a simple setup, but it's important to do it the right way so your business files stay organized, accessible, and always up to date across devices. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to download the OneDrive Sync client from Microsoft. Open your web browser and go to the official OneDrive download page from Microsoft. This is the safest place to get the installer, and it helps make sure you're using the latest version of the Sync client. Once the page loads, start the download for your Windows PC. After the file finishes downloading, open it and begin the installation process. On most systems, this is very straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts and allow the setup to complete. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes so the app can install properly. This part usually only takes a few moments, and once it's done, OneDrive will be ready to launch. Now open the Start menu on your computer and search for OneDrive. When you see it appear, click to launch the app. This is the main sync client that will connect your computer to your OneDrive for Business account. If this is your first time opening it, OneDrive will guide you through the sign-in process. Next, sign in using your work or school Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you use the account that's tied to your organization's OneDrive for Business storage. If you sign in with a personal Microsoft account by mistake, you may not see the correct business folders or sync settings. After entering your email and password, complete any security verification steps your organization requires. Once you're signed in, OneDrive will ask where you want to place your OneDrive folder on your PC. This is the local folder that syncs with the cloud. You can usually accept the default location or choose a different path if you want the files stored somewhere else on your computer. Pick the location that makes the most sense for your workflow, then continue. After that, you'll reach the folder selection screen. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because it lets you choose which folders from OneDrive for Business should sync to your device. If you don't need everything offline, you can select only the folders you use most often. That helps save storage space and keeps your file system cleaner. Review the folder list carefully, then choose the folders you want to sync. When you're happy with your selections, finish the setup. OneDrive may show a few final tips or onboarding screens, and then it will complete the configuration. Once setup is finished, open File Explorer on your PC. You should now see OneDrive listed in the left-hand panel, and your synced business files should begin appearing there automatically. From this point on, any files inside your OneDrive for Business folder will stay in sync with the cloud. That means changes you make on your computer will upload automatically, and updates made elsewhere will come down to your PC as well. This is what makes OneDrive for Business so useful for productivity, collaboration, and secure file access. If you want to make sure everything is working correctly, try opening a synced folder and checking that your files are visible. You can also create a test document or move a file into the folder and watch for the sync status icon. Once the cloud and check marks appear, you'll know the sync client is working as expected, and that's it. You've successfully set up OneDrive for Business Sync client on your PC. You now have a simple way to access your business files, keep them updated, and work across devices without manually moving documents around. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.